everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Zara Anissa and I'm from English Language Education Department. Today, I would like to present my intensive reading analysis of an academic article entitled A Survey of English Department Students' Reading Strategy in Reading Academic Articles. This article was written by Mercy S. Ferdinandus and Jamaluddin Simantuak and published in Pedagogika. A journal titled is Jurnal Pedagogika dan Dinamika Pendidikan, Volume 12, Number 2 in October 2024. I chose this article because it discusses reading strategies used by English department students, which is very relevant to me as a first semester student in English language education. This topic helps me understand how to read academic articles more effectively. The main idea of this article is that English department students use different reading strategies to understand academic articles, especially when they face difficulties such as unfamiliar vocabulary and complex ideas. The purpose of the study is to identify students' reading strategies, to explain students' problem faced when they reading academic articles, and to describe how students solve these problems. The key issues discussed in the text include: the first is global reading strategies, the second is problem-solving reading strategies, the third is support reading strategies, and the fourth is students' difficulties in academic reading. The author wants to show that using reading strategies helps students improve comprehension, concentration, and critical thinking. In this section, I will explain 3 significant sentences from the article. The first sentence is: this is a simple sentence because it contains only one independent clause. Its function is to introduce the main problem of the study, which is difficulty of reading academic articles. The second sentence is: this is a compound sentence because it consists of 2 independent clauses joined by conjunction and. The function of this sentence is to show the relationship between students' action and the benefits they gain. The third sentence is: this is a complex sentence because it contains a dependent clause introduced by that. Its function is to present the conclusion and implication of the research. The article uses several cohesive devices to connect ideas clearly, and the first cohesive device I found in this article is furthermore. Furthermore is used to add additional supporting information, especially when the author explains reading strategies in more detail. The second cohesive device is however. However is used to show contrast or differences between study and previous research. The third is therefore. Therefore is used to show the result or conclusion of the study. The fourth is for example. For example is used to give specific illustrations of students' reading strategies. And the fifth is according to. The phrase according to is used as a reference cohesive device. It is used to refer to experts or previous studies in order to support the author's argument. After analyzing sentence structure and cohesive devices, now I will move on to implied meaning found in the article. The first implied meaning I found is many students are not fully prepared to read academic articles without using reading strategies. This meaning is implied because the author doesn't state it directly, but it can be inferred from students' statements. The second implied meaning is reading strategies are important, not only for reading, but also for students' overall academic success. This implies that reading strategies support broader academic skills. Okay, while reading this article, I faced several challenges, such as long paragraphs, unfamiliar vocabulary, and many percentages. However, using strategies like skimming, highlighting, and kissing meaning helped me understand the text better. The benefit of intensive reading is that it trains me to read carefully, think critically, and understand academic structure. As a future English teacher, intensive reading is very important because it helps me teach students how to read academic texts effectively and strategically. In conclusion, intensive reading helped me understand not only the content, but also the structure and deeper meaning of the text. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and goodbye.